Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's quickly have a look at how you can log into Jenkins if you can't remember your password. I am also logged in to the server. I'm logged into the Jenkins box using SSH. I'm on the login screen. I know that's the right password, or at least what I think the password is, and I can't log in, so it just fails. What you can do then is just log into Jenkins. I am in the Jenkins directory basically, and if I ls and grep for config, there's going to be this file called config.xml. I'm going to copy that to a new file as a backup, and I'm going to vim the config.xml file and look for security with a capital S, and there it is. What I want to do is change the true to false and save the changes. I'm using Vim. Now we just need to restart Jenkins, so I'm gonna sudo systemctl restart Jenkins, and that should restart Jenkins service. I'm going to log back in as Jenkins user. Well, you don't need to, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Now if I just refresh the browser, it's going to tell me that Jenkins is getting ready. You can see that it logged in straight away. So go to Jenkins, manage Jenkins, global security, the second option. I can enable security here. Basically you pick the options you want. I don't have LDAP, so I'm just going to use the Jenkins own database, which is what I had originally. I'm going to disable the sign up because so not everybody can sign up. That's only a problem if your Jenkins instance is available on the internet. So if you have it as a local dev machine or within like a VPN subnet, if Jenkins operates, that's not a problem. But it's not a good idea. If you don't want to use sign up for Jenkins, you shouldn't. I'm back in manage Jenkins here. Now if I scroll down to the very bottom, I can manage users. That's the only user I have. Usually I also rename the username to just being admin, but because it's just a dev instance, I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to go to configure, and there's the password. So you can set the user's password here. So I'm gonna just copy the password that I usually use and pop that in. That's not the right username. Update password. Alright, so if I try to log in now and I keep me signed in, and I'm logged in, so I can see all the jobs. I can go into the job, configure the job, so I've got control over the instance. So if you ever lose your password to Jenkins, this is how you can quickly go ahead and reset the password. Thank you guys, and I'll hope to see you in the next one.